But it's nothing important for us because one exists in the future and another exists in the past. We have to be conscious of the present moment. And this is what Sahaja Yogi is. That now, at this moment, you must understand the dynamics of this moment, the spontaneity of this moment. So now people will say, then that means Mataji, you don't believe in planning. I do not. I do not believe in human planning at all. Because when human beings plan, you know what is the mess they create. Everywhere in the whole world, wherever there has been planners, what has been. I'll give you a simple example. You plan a wedding, A to Z. Now you will find suddenly when the bridegroom has to come from this place to that place, something will happen and he won't move. He may have to go to the bathroom. Maybe he wants to meet his mother. He will be emotionally tied up. Maybe his mother may come there and she might start crying. If you want to make it a living marriage, then you should not plan in such detail. You must allow the spontaneity, the blessing of God to work out. In London, I'll give you one example. You see, I do not plan out much. And I don't bother so much about this planning out. Today, we wanted to come here very early. These people said, we must reach there at 6:30. I was just laughing. I knew when I have to reach, I will reach, because whatever they may try, we cannot reach us. Reasons for that, aren't there? And I just could not. So why worry? Because I know we are not going to reach us. Of course, I mean today supposing I have to go tomorrow, so I have to just buy the ticket for tomorrow. It's alright, there's no planning, that is to be done today. But A to Z you start planning everything and suddenly you find this is missing and the whole thing goes off. Let the spontaneity, at least in human relationship, because you are such planners you cannot do everything else, but human relationship at least try the spontaneity to work out. Now in the Western countries people are understanding the value of spontaneity, but they are stupid people, they don't know how to harness it. I cannot even tell you to what stupidity they go. If I tell you, you won't believe. There are small children, otherwise I would have told. It's impossible to believe how stupid they are, that they believe in the spontaneity and the kind of spontaneity they have done. All the developing countries are now developing to be the developed countries. But we must also see in what third these developed countries are. They are stupid people. They are alright as far as their work is concerned. They are all in time, their things are all clean, spick and span. But if you see their families are broken up. Stupidity to such a limit, a 90-year-old woman having a love affair with a 19-year-old man. And on the front page their love letters are first page. Every newspaper if you read, that is the first great news coming. And all the men reading this great Romeo Juliet going on. Stupid, absolutely stupid. When you talk to them, you find they're such stupid people. You don't know where to look and what to say. You have no idea to what extent they have gone in stupidity. Of course, they have Cadillacs and they have big cars and they have big houses. But sometimes I feel it is donkeys living inside these beautiful houses. In certain matters, they are absolutely stupid. In certain matters, absolutely we are crooked. They are innocent, simpletons, but they are stupid. We are crooked. So, we should know that there is an unconscious universal being which is being accepted by many people in the West. And that's why they say, let the unconscious look after, let us have the spontaneity, let it work out spontaneously. But they cannot, they are so complicated now. They have such an analytical mind that they'll go on analyzing and they cannot allow the spontaneity to work out. They are trying all their methods to work out the spontaneity. But somebody has to give an impetus. has to give that triggering, as you can say. Because through rationality, if you want to jump into unconscious, you cannot. Rationality is a very limited stuff. If you want to go to something unlimited and universal, which is collectively conscious, then you have to learn to be unlimited yourself. Now how will you do it? Somebody has to trigger it.